Hey guys, so I'm about to purchase this yarn from Hobbii. This will be my first time buying from them. The total is free shipping and $100.90. I'm gonna get this Cotton Kings yarn because there's a project I want to make for that, and then as well as this yarn. This is like a dark gray and I'm thinking about making a bunch of hats out of them. So for each one, if I can go back to the cart, I got 20, 20, and 15. So I'm super excited. Scared, but excited. So yeah, I'm gonna click purchase and I can't wait to get these in.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I got my package. Guys, look what I got. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I just got my yarn from Hobbii. It just came in the mail. I really don't know all I ordered. I forgot, but I am gonna do an unboxing for you guys as I promised. I'm like trying to squeeze the yarn so I can see the colors because I genuinely forgot like everything I ordered, but I am super excited. So shout out to Hobbii for bringing this in super fast. Yeah, I'm just excited, and I'm just keep saying I'm excited because I'm excited. This bag is heavy, like I'm not gonna lie, it is super heavy. But should I get dressed and like do the unboxing now? Like I'm gonna do the unboxing right here. So I'm gonna get dressed, get ready to film that, and that's literally what I'm about to do. Oh my god. I want to see like where the camera's at. Hey guys, it's me Dezzyloops, and today I'm going to be doing a Hobbii yarn unboxing. Now this is my first time honestly buying yarn online. The experience was very quick, very easy, but this is the bag of yarn I got. Honestly I forgot what I ordered, so it's as much a surprise to you as it is to me. I have nothing with me. I'm literally just outside. It is about to rain soon, so let's see. Hopefully everything turns out right, and if it doesn't, this is still going out. So yeah, this yarn, it says 35 balls of cotton. I don't remember ordering 35 balls of yarn, but I guess I did. So try to okay. So I'm so ecstatic. Let's see what we have. I'm trying to like try to back up some. Let me spread out a little bit. Okay. I'm just so wow. I don't even know where to get started. Okay. So here we have 2 of these Cotton King yarns. So we have 2 packs of these Cotton King yarns, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 12 of them. And I got these because there's a project I'm going to make with them. So I'm so excited for that. So this right here. Then, let's see what else we have. We have a Mayflower cotton, and this is a darker gray. And then we have more Mayflower, but it's not in the pack. They're just like in individuals like this. So this is the invoice. Okay, so it says 15 of the dark gray. This is Cotton Junior Mayflower. And then 20 units of, is it raining? 20 units of the light gray. Wow. This is just nice, honestly. I like this. Oh my gosh. What is this? Is this a heart-shaped candy? So then we have 1, 2, 3. Let me not knowing how to count. 5 balls of this. Wait, so did I have extra? Was that it? Oh, because that's 10 and 15. Okay. I get what they're saying. Because they come in unit packs, that's why. I don't even know what I got this for. or what I'm gonna make out of it. I'm not sure. And then I got this gray yarn. It's a dark gray. And I'm gonna make some hats for my website with these, just some really cute, simple beanies. But I know for this, definitely, there's a design that I'm gonna make with this. And this is actually thinner than I thought. And they're smaller than I thought. This is way smaller than I thought. This is just 100% cotton, 50 grams, 185 yards. This is very cute. It's like baby yarns. This actually would pair great together, but I'm gonna use those for separate projects. So I mean, I have more yarn coming because I did end up getting more, and I'm probably gonna get even more than that because that's just me. I'm becoming obsessed with buying yarn. Until we get on the sponsorship lane where everyone's just sending me yarn and I'm building up this massive collection, I do speak that into the atmosphere. So let me put all of this back and just save that. Because I'm doing a custom order with this. For the gray yarn, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with the dark gray yarn, I really don't know why I bought that. Really cute, simple beanies. I'm not sure. But that is it for this very quick yarn haul for the Hobbii yarn. I'm so happy to have gotten this yarn. I will do like some more, I don't know, reviews on the yarn, as it's my first time using it, and I never really use cotton yarn like that anyway. I always usually use like acrylic yarns, but now that I'm trying to like test out different types of yarn like mohair and cotton, and there was this one yarn that I had tried. It was like tinsel cotton. Correct me if I'm wrong, it was tinsel. And I did try that yarn and that was very nice. I have some of that left over, which I need to figure out what to do with. But yeah, this was just my mini yarn haul. Not really a review, but just the unboxing of the yarn I got from Hobbii. So, am I saying it right? Hobbii? Hobbii? Have I been saying it wrong? Is it Hobbii or Hobbii? Hobbii Yarns, Hobbii Yarns. I'm gonna end the video now before I make myself look even more foolish, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any other video suggestions, just please comment below, and also stay tuned because I'm just planning on, you know, just making as much content as I really can. Also, what is your favorite yarn from this brand? Please help me on how to pronounce this name because I don't want to go around like pronouncing brand names wrong, and I want future deals with them. So, is it Hobbii or Hobbii? That is the question of the week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch up with you guys later. Bye.
I want to crash my car into a telephone pole, standing on the gas with no seatbelt on. I can't.